Good news, small YouTubers. I have finally found the best and the organic way to get your 1000 subscribers. You know that you need subscribers that will watch your video, that will always come back to watch your video, not the subscriber that will not come back and watch your video. So in this video, I'm going to show you the organic way to get your 1000 subscribers. And the best part is that even big YouTubers like vidIQ, like Dan the creators, and all those people, they are also using this particular method to grow their subscriber. How much more that you are a small YouTuber and you are not using this method? And again, you can use this method to grow your other social media platform, like your Instagram, like your TikTok, and other social media platform. So if this is what you want for your channel, I will encourage you to like this video and subscribe to this community so we can grow together. Now let's dive into it. To get your first 1000 subscriber organically, all you need to go is to go to Google search, and you go to type this auto subscribe link generator. As you can see, then you click on it. Okay, but before you do that, you need to go to your YouTube studio to copy your URL, your channel URL. So minimize this one and go to my YouTube studio, your YouTube dashboard. There, that's where you can get your channel URL. So we are going to copy the URL from your channel. So you click on this customization, this pencil icon, to get your channel URL. You click on customization, that's where you can get your channel URL, and this is your channel URL, as you can see. So the next thing is to copy it. You just click on this and it will be copied, as you can see. Then you come back to this site. Come back to this site and you paste that link inside of this box. You just paste this link there. So you paste this link there, and the next thing is you click on this generate. So you allow it to load, and it will automatically generate for you. As you can see, auto subscribe link, it has been generated, as you can see. So the next thing is to copy. You click on copy link to clipboard. So you click on copy link to clipboard and it has been copied, as you can see. It has question mark sub confirmation is equal to 1. So you can see that it has changed from the one that we copy from YouTube. So then you go back to your YouTube channel. So you go back to your YouTube channel and you just clean up this one that is already there. I'm just gonna clean up this one. So but before you enter the link that you generated, you see this title, this link title, that you must write something there. So you can write something like subscribe for more tips. You can write something like that, subscribe for more tips. Then you now paste the link that you copied. You paste it here. So and then I said that you can use this method to grow other social media platform. So you can see that there is a plus sign here that says add link. You can click on this plus sign and it will bring out another space for you to add another link. You know that all those big YouTubers, they normally have more than one link on their channel. Like on their channel description, you will see that they have a lot of links. So if you have other links, like if you have your Instagram links, your Facebook link, your TikTok link, your LinkedIn, you can use this method, this particular method. You can use it to grow all other social media platforms, and once people click on those links, they will automatically subscribe to your channel. They will subscribe to your page automatically because it is auto subscriber. Once they click on that link, they will automatically subscribe to your channel. And also you can use this place to add if you have an affiliate link, so you can also use this place to add your affiliate links. It also works very well. So this is the organic way, because I noticed that all those collabing with all those viral shots, you will end up getting subscribers that will not watch your video, and this will affect your growth on YouTube, because all those people are not interested in your niche. They just subscribe to you because of your video went viral with other viral shots. But this way, if people click on this link, they are subscribing to your channel because they like your video, because they want to watch more of your video. So that is why you need this organic method. You need to use this organic method if you want subscribers that will actually watch your videos, not ghost subscribers that will just be on your channel without helping you, without supporting you, without watching your video, without liking or commenting. So this is the best way, and I will advise that you choose this best way. So if you want this video to this stage, I want to say thank you, and I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I share tips and strategies that can make you to grow fast and organically. So you can subscribe so we can grow together. And if you find this video helpful, you need to click on the other video on your screen right now, because on that video I shared how to get your 4,000 watch hour, like the strategies, the fastest way to get your 4,000 watch hour fast. So I encourage you to click on that video, because you are going to learn a lot. It will going to help you. So click on that video right there, and I will see you there. Thank you.